Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, we're going to have a quick look at gold and silver. So the gold chart, let's actually just remove this here. The gold chart has continued to just have a just another nice update. We have been rallying up for quite some time and just been taking off and taking off. So who knows when this is going to stop, and who knows where this is going to stop. And we are at areas of resistance. So again, I wouldn't be too surprised to see just a little pullback from here. Again, I don't know what's going to happen with that, but the gold is actually continuing up. And the reason why I say that we may get a little pullback from now is if you look at the silver chart right now, guys, is actually making this here. So we actually want, if the market here with silver, we've had this big sort of rally up and then a sideways move, then we've had this big move up, and now we're creating this sort of channel through here. What we want out of this, for this to continue up, what we want out of this, let's actually bring up here, let me bring up my arrow. So what we actually want out of this is we want the market to, out of this channel through here, we want the market to just open and just take off through there. That's what we want. We want a continuation move out of this up. So, but to me, guys, that looks like if it doesn't do that, then we'll likely get a little pullback from here. And the pullback could be, say, 50%, maybe even down towards these levels down through here on silver. But I think that's all that's likely to happen. We're likely to bottom out then through there. And then I think the market could break up and then break these new highs for the year. So either one, guys, we're going to break up. If we break up, then we're going to penetrate new highs on silver. But if we don't, we're likely to reverse down here. If we do reverse, we're likely to have a nice good, say, 50 or 60% retracement off this move up here, which is around about the 1670 to 1650 on silver. To me, that'll be another great buying opportunity for me. Especially I've been watching the stochastics again, and it would be beautiful if the stochastics could just line up again, where the market came down through there, starts to have like this sort of action through there, and if the market does retrace and get back down to this point through here, then that to me is just like, it's just screaming buy again. So, and then guess what I'll be doing? I'll be buying it again. So I'm very bullish on silver until we start. If we start closing below 1575, then that's when I'll definitely be out, because it's changing the trend completely on that. But if that doesn't happen, guys, I'm just going to keep buying that on every small dip I'm getting on silver and stuff. Yeah, on silver. Then I'm just going to keep buying it and buying it myself. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to work out well, but anything closing below 1750, I'm definitely going to be out of my position. And if we do get a close below 1750? No. 1575, should I say 1575 or 1570, then yeah, if that happens, then yeah, we will be racing back down towards the $14 level. I don't think that's going to happen. Looking at the charts and look at the way this market's working, the way that this market's starting to react, I don't see that ever happening, but we never know. So I always have my stop losses in place and what I'm looking for and what I'm doing. But the way I'm seeing this, guys, is that we may explode to the high side and continue out of this. I hope, because I'm actually in this. But even if it doesn't get a small little pullback, I'm not going to fret or worry, because even a nice little pullback from there. And if you look at the retracement levels of that, let me actually bring up, say, a Fibonacci retracement level from the low points to the high point. And as you can see, guys, a nice sort of 60% retracement that actually comes down through there. So this area through here is indeed a support area where I definitely would be looking to buy into, and especially if it gets down to the 1650 level, and then we get the stochastics rolling over again, and that to me, again, it just depends on what's happening at that time, but that to me would look like it'd be a really good time to actually get into silver and gold. So we may be getting ready for a pullback in silver and gold, because we already had a big move up. but yeah, we just got to wait and see. So, and again, and if that does happen, as you guys know, I did get into silver down here. If we do get a nice little retracement back down to here, that's fine for me. Again, that's just another buying opportunity. If that does happen, it'll be a small little pullback towards the $15.75 to $16 on the SLV. I'll be getting into more calls myself if that's the case, or it's just like it'll just explode and just keep gapping up like it has through here and take out these new highs. So either way, guys, that's what I see with silver and gold. And yeah, I just see that there's a lot of exciting times happening, and I'm trying to keep you on top of what I see every single day. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.